Alright, I'm advertising daily roamer on several parts of my car. I just want to point out, people might see the daily roamer on the side and wonder what the heck that means. You're kind of forced to look a little closer to see that it's YouTube, and you maybe wrap around, and if you get close enough above my car, you'll see the stickers on the roof or in front of the car. You'll see the sticker on the hood of the car. It's another place, another little spot is right here. If you're walking right in front of my car, you kind of see the stickers there. Or on the side, I just recently finished. It said daily for a while, but now it says roamer on the door, so you see it from a little bit of a distance away. And then also, if you get closer, you see that it's daily roamer YouTube. This sticker is actually holding up really good. Just a cheap little sticker. A lot of other ones are falling apart. Daily roamer, I made this a few years ago, back when I was in Wyoming, with the that style of sewing, the embroidery. So that was the original way I was advertising. It was just on top here, daily roamer YouTube. Not always easy to see, so I added these stickers. And then this sticker's holding up. I got that at a clearance section of Walmart. It says daily, but the people really can't see that so easily. This sticker is falling apart, and that's a cheap, it's just a party sticker, pretty much. But people might see that, or people might see this sticker. Not easy to see, but might see this sticker here. So I got several small stickers around the car. You have to be close to see them. But yeah, they're just a little advertising on the car.